Across the golden landscapes of America, rice quietly plays a powerful role in feeding millions. It may look simple, a small grain often overlooked, yet rice sustains half of the world's population and fuels entire economies. In the United States, farmers produce nearly 10 million tons of rice each year, transforming vast fields into shimmering oceans of green and gold. From the water-filled paddies of Arkansas and Louisiana to the advanced mills of California and Texas, rice growing has become a fusion of ancient tradition and cutting-edge technology. Today, let's embark on a journey through this incredible process from planting and harvesting to processing and packaging, and discover how American farmers turn flooded fields into one of the world's most important foods. Rice harvesting used to be one of the most labor-intensive tasks in agriculture. Generations ago, farmers bent under the sun with hand sickles cutting stalk by stalk. Today, the story looks very different. Modern combine harvesters' powerful multi-function machines have transformed how rice is gathered, cleaned, and prepared in one continuous motion. At the front of the combine is the header slicing through rows of golden stalks. The cut plants are drawn inside where the threshing drum gently separates the grains from their stems. Inside, the machine layers of sieves and air blowers filter out straw husks and dust, leaving only clean rice grains behind. The cleaned rice, known as paddy, is collected into a built-in storage tank. Once it's full, the grain is transferred through an unloading auger into large trucks or trailers waiting nearby. This process is fast, precise, and efficient. A single harvester can clear fields that once took dozens of workers days to complete. In numbers, the change is astonishing. Modern harvesting can be up to 50 times faster than traditional manual labor. That means less grain loss, reduced costs, and quicker delivery to processing plants before weather or humidity can spoil the yield. But technology hasn't stopped there. Today's harvesters are equipped with GPS-guided systems, grain loss sensors, and moisture monitors that allow farmers to track their progress in real time. The machines adjust cutting height automatically, ensuring that every stalk is harvested efficiently and that the soil remains undisturbed for future planting. As the combines roll across the fields, leaving behind clean rows of stubble, fleets of trucks follow closely, carrying tons of freshly harvested rice toward the next stage of its transformation. Once the rice arrives at the processing plant, its real transformation begins. Freshly harvested grains are still covered in protective husks and contain high moisture not suitable for eating or storage. That's where industrial precision takes over. The first stage is cleaning and drying. Large air-powered separators remove dust straw and tiny stones. Then the grains pass through industrial dryers, which reduce their moisture content to safe levels, usually around 13%. Proper drying is essential. Too little and mold develops. Too much, and the grains can crack or lose flavor. Next comes hulling, where the outer shell is removed. This step reveals brown rice rich in fiber and nutrients. Some rice stops here packaged for health-conscious consumers, but most continue to the next stage milling where the bran layer is gently polished away, revealing the familiar white rice we all know. The polishing process uses rotating rollers covered with fine sand or leather-like surfaces that gently buff the grains without breaking them. Afterwards, some producers fortify the rice by adding back essential nutrients like iron and vitamin B, ensuring the final product remains both beautiful and nutritious. High-tech optical sorters equipped with laser scanners perform the next step. They inspect every grain, rejecting any that are discolored, broken, or imperfect. The result is a uniform gleaming batch of rice ready for packaging. Finally, the rice is sealed into airtight bags and stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. From there, it travels across the country and beyond to family tables, restaurants, and food industries worldwide. Some of it will be ground into rice flour, refined into rice bran oil, or puffed into instant snacks, proving just how versatile this humble grain can be. Before a single grain is harvested, the foundation of every rice crop begins months earlier with careful preparation. Farmers start by leveling and plowing the fields, ensuring a smooth, even surface that can hold water evenly. Rice depends on precise water management, so an intricate network of canals and levees is constructed to control flooding and drainage. There are two main methods of planting: dry seeding, where rice seeds are sown into dry soil before the field is flooded, giving farmers better weed control; water seeding, where pre-germinated seeds are dropped directly into shallow water, a technique that helps suppress weeds naturally. Once planted, rice fields are flooded with a thin layer of water, not too deep, not too shallow. This water acts like a natural barrier against pests and keeps temperatures stable, protecting delicate seedlings from heat. As the plants grow, farmers provide carefully measured fertilizers and employ integrated pest management, combining biological and chemical methods to control insects and diseases while minimizing environmental harm. Advanced irrigation systems recycle water between fields, reducing waste and preserving soil fertility for future crops. After about 4 months, the lush green paddies turn golden, signaling that the grains are mature. The water is drained and the fields are allowed to dry just enough for heavy machines to enter, marking the transition from growth to harvest. From a flooded field in Arkansas to a polished grain on your dinner plate, every step in the journey of rice reflects centuries of human innovation and respect for nature. What was once a backbreaking manual craft has has evolved into a symphony of precision machines, scientific planning, and environmental care. With nearly 10 million tons of rice produced each year, America stands as a model of modern agriculture balancing efficiency with sustainability, tradition with technology. Behind each bowl of rice lies not just nourishment, but a story of resilience, science, and the quiet dedication of farmers who turn muddy fields into global sustenance. So the next time you enjoy a warm serving of rice, take a moment to remember its journey from sunlit paddies and humming harvesters through steel mills and polished silos all the way to your table. A reminder that even the smallest grain can carry the weight of a world that depends on it.